Hey folks, it's Paul from Martial Business Matters, and we have landed in Las Vegas, Nevada for the 2022 Martial Arts Supershow. If you don't know what the Supershow is, it's a massive industry event for martial arts practitioners, school owners, business managers, program directors, people who are involved in the business of martial arts. Come to the Martial Arts Supershow. And this year, Las Vegas, Nevada, 2022, we have landed. We've just gotten into our suite here at Ceasar's Palace. I wanted to show you what we're doing here. We are going to be trying to grab some interviews with some martial arts industry people. We're going to be trying to showcase a little bit about what goes on at the Martial Arts Super Show if you've never been to that. And this is directly related to another video that I have about the law of reciprocity. And I'm going to link that right here so that you can go watch all about the law of reciprocity. And why that works with this video is because I'm not just here by myself. I also brought team members. So if we look out here, we can see the Las Vegas Strip. There's the Bellagio fountains, and man, we're excited. We're going to get started tomorrow morning, and we're going to come back with a lot more knowledge and information and a lot more exciting ways to grow our school and also share those ways of growing schools with you. So thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any of the footage from the Martial Arts Super Show and you don't miss any of our analysis of what we learned here at the Martial Arts Super Show, Las Vegas, Nevada 2022. Thanks so much.